Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-39I, the Water Tank Hardwood Bearer. So simple, let's get going. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-39I, Water Tank Hardwood Bearer for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. And this is going to be one of the easiest pieces we ever will build, I think. It's so easy. Let me pull it up. Okay, so we're going to go to the front. Actually, go to the right. Doesn't matter which one, really. Well, square or rectangle, depends how you look at it. It's going to be dimension of 25 by 12. That's actually got a measurement there for, I think this 12 millimeters. Yep, by 12 millimeters, 25, and it's going to be extrude 600, mid plane. Okay, zoom out, and done. That's it. That's all it is. And save. So that's all we need to do for that piece. So thank you for coming along. It's going to be one of the shortest episodes, under about 2 minutes. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you got any suggestions, you know what to do. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.